What's good, bro? Another great thing today. Happy Monday. Today we're about to go in the gym. We're about to hit some chest. We're about to annihilate that shit. Wow, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. We're about to get picked up by Marco. We got the pre right here, all in the cup, ready to go. Then alamine, creatine, a little bit of prepared. Let's get it, baby. It's about to be a fun one. Seriously, I feel really strong today. Just because I've been really consistent the past 2 weeks with my food, and I can just feel it already. The recovery's been a little faster. I took a few extra rest days just for this. So today, we're going to be attempting 115 again. We got it for 3 last time. We want at least 6 this time. If I get 3 again, I'm not going to be disappointed. Well, I will be disappointed. What the fuck am I talking about? I will be fucking disappointed. At least 4. At least 5. Give me something. Just give me something. Like, I know I'm natural, but fuck. Let's go. Yo, what are you listening to, bro?
No face, but
no face?
Yeah.
No, you ain't got no face?
No, I don't.
He ain't got no face, chat.
Nah, it was pretty quiet. It wasn't like too busy.
On a Monday?
I didn't go on a Monday.
He's so sexy. Yo, let me stop. Should I keep that in?
It won't. Might get more views.
Nah. We don't chase views, man. We chase impact, man. Fuck the views. If I cared about the views, my last video, you got 7 views, I would have quit already. That stuff. No, but now we got to hit retro. Can you guys hear me? Yes, you can. We're about to hit retro. We're about to hit a quick chest. I'll catch you guys there. Let's go. Lower. Yep. One more. Push. That's crazy. You gotta keep moving. I remember the days where 75 used to be a struggle, and now 90s are second working set. Progress, man, progress. Let's go. Come on. Wake up. Don't start that way. Don't do that. Come on. Let's go. There you go. Yep. Easy work. Come on. Feet. You got more in there. That was 90. I'm gonna go to 100 and then gradually go up. Hear what you just said? Easier to work out, now record for me. What are friends for nowadays, man? I hate these wired headphones, bro. I broke my other ones. Alright, story behind the headphones, guys. I've broken 3 pairs of Beats, so I've actually, 2 pairs of Beats Solos, like the ones overhead. So I kind of like punished myself and just got wired ones. I broke the wired ones and I have shittier wired ones. Nah, it sucks. Either way, let's go. Come on. Oh, that's crazy. I remember when we first started this fitness thing, I used to struggle with 75 pounds. And now we're going for 120 for 3-4 reps, And the thing is, it's not crazy, it's not extreme, but that's progress. It's like last week, I was able to get 115s for 6, and that was my first time ever doing that. I'm only doing 120s because there's no 115s, but we'll see how much we can do. But I'm confident I can at least get it up, Pause. All right, let's go. I'm off balance. Two-ish. Yeah. We could do better. I'm gonna go one more attempt. See how that feels. Because I was off balance. I was more heated, yeah. Go. Wake up. Fucking ball. Take it. fucking phone, man. I'm gonna do a quick drop set. This is the baby right here. Swim machine incline. We're doing this. So we got the 120s for basically 3 was the highest we got. And the rest, what? We got 1 the last one? Yeah. Yeah, this is not bad. I wish I had 115s. But the fact that I can get 120 for 3 shows me that I can probably get 115s for another 6, even 8. So we're getting stronger, which is dope. But yeah, now we're gonna do some incline. And one thing I want to show you guys, when you're aligning this, bro, easiest way to make sure it's perfect. Alright, so therefore you don't have one side bigger than the other. And that does happen to some of you. But we're gonna work our way up to about 3 sets of 12 to 15 on this one. Go from 135, and then from there I'll probably jump to 2 with set 2 and 3, and then from there on finish up with some cable movements, and then go to triceps. But we'll see how the body goes. Let's go. Yeah, come on. Oh, come on, come on. Press that shit down. Give me 2-second pause. 2-second pause. 1, 2. Yep, come on, come on. 5 more. 1, 2. Nice. 3. There we go. That's fucked up, yo. You hear that? That's crazy. The minute I'm on my phone for a second, it's been wants to shit on me. You see that, guys? That's crazy, man. Yeah, record, man. Shut up and record. I'm probably gonna get this for like fucking 5 or 6. Oh, nah, let me stop. Huh? We'll see. That's the goal. You know what? I needed that. See, that's why you need somebody, where you work out with somebody just in your corner. Just fucking do it. Stop being a bitch and fucking do it. Let's go. I didn't do it. Huh?
Drop set?
Yeah, we'll drop set it. Now I'm gonna get this one for 5. So whenever I fail, let's say if I wanted to get 225 on incline for 10, which usually would happen if I'm being honest, but today is just not one of those days. I was sick last week, but that's not an excuse. So what I usually do is just do a drop set for whatever set I fail. It's like my own little methodology. If you fail, do the bare minimum to get yourself back up there. It works every time. I bet you next week I'll be pushing 225 for reps. Just not today. The song while I'm standing. What makes you think he's gonna play the song while I'm moving? Oh man. Oh. Beautiful. Oh. This right here, great replacement to the incline hammer press or incline bench press. Especially if you get like elbow pain or joint pain, especially for me when I'm deep into prep, I prefer this over everything. I'm only doing it right now because all the machines taken, both of them are taken, so might as well try this out. Ooh. And sometimes you get a deeper stretch, more control, better pump, much better pump. Ooh. Lord have mercy on us. That's quick pointers. Always keep those elbows high. You see that grip right there? That's the easiest way to grip that bad boy. Easy work. Yep. Press through those triceps. And I'll definitely add this to your routine if you want to like increase your bench, because this really emphasizes on the tricep in a stress position, which I feel will get you stronger on your bench as well too. Stronger triceps, more utilization toward the chest. Come on. Easy. Yes, sir. Look at my man's over here. Elbows in, elbows in. Keep him close, keep him close, keep him close. Ah! Oh, son of a bitch. We fail. We drop. A big thank you. You got any cake? That never happened.
Expose your true self.
Huh?
Expose your true self.
Exploding my true self? What are you talking about, bro? My true self is a happy, genuine guy. You know, I just crack jokes here and there. But nah, that's a big pause, bro. Yeah, let's make a video out of this. But now some real shit though, if you're trying to blow up your triceps, bro. Ooh. This exercise, the dumbbell overhead extension, or any overhead movement, to be honest with you, where you can really focus on a deeper stretch. And the barbell close grip bench press are by far the 3 best exercises to actually help you blow up your tricep and you actually build the physique that you're looking for. So add them into your routine. The natural way. What's good, y'all? Hope you're having a great day today. We just finished a workout. That was basically it. My audio wasn't connected for some reason, so we're just gonna do a quick little voiceover. We just did some posing towards the end. One thing, guys, we're actually 211 now, as you'll see once I step on the scale after posing. So we're definitely growing. We're getting more weight. We're getting more size without gaining any additional body fat, which is absolutely amazing, and that's the biggest thing I wanted to do. And the thing is, not like I'm not getting body fat. I am, but it's at the level where it's very little amount, and that's basically what I want when it comes to a lean bulk. You don't want to gain too much, because once you gain too much, that's when it makes your cut that much harder, and I'm not trying to make my cut harder. But yeah, man, overall felt good. Had a great day. Had a great workout, and yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed this workout, and yeah.
You signed for G League or some shit.
Oh shit!
You gonna be 220, right?
Boy, I'm 211. Fat. Yes, sir. We're getting close to that goal. Goal's 220, but yeah, got a great workout. Finished chest day, about to head home, get some food, get some grub, sleep, repeat, and do it again. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one.